Today we are in the site in the Waitakere Refuse and Recycling Centre.
Welcome, it's really lovely to have you all here.
I'm Abeer, I'm the Vocational Programs Coordinator at English Language Partners, and we are so lucky to be here with all our learners from 3 different classes and different levels. They've been informed and educated about the rubbish that we throw.
Which one goes first?
That session was amazing. It was so informative. We've learned a lot of things. We need to start making a change, because if we don't start now, it's going to be too late. Our learners come from different backgrounds, from different cultures and countries. All of them are migrants, and they are adult learners who attend our classes to learn English. We do a lot of other activities to raise awareness amongst the communities.
They want to be a part of Auckland community. They don't. They have very few opportunities to interact in a meaningful way. It's difficult for them to find a way that they can be a part of the community. So this has given them the opportunity to give back.
When I came here, I learned that how they organize the landfills. They make the big hole and they put the plastic on top. At the end, there's no oxygen in the hole, and so the waste still there. So when I go home, I think I will change my life, because I always put the food waste into the landfill because I thought that it could to be a compost, but no, I'm wrong.
I don't like bugs or worms, any insects, but I might have one farm or just bokashi in my house to reduce my food scraps and to save the planet.